how to boost your profile visibility on Skout, and go to the profile. Look for the options like boost, promote me, or get notified. After tapping the boost, you will see paid boost using credits. Use earn points if available. Once activated, your profile will appear higher in search results, more often in the meet or nearby section. Also use a clear, high quality styling photo. Avoid blurry or group photos. Change your profile picture from time to time to stay fresh. People with great photos get more profile clicks and messages. Also, a good bio should be short and friendly, so personality include hobbies and interest. Scroll down, you can add interests and select the topic you like. This helps Scout suggest your profile to similar user. Log in daily, reply to messages, send wave or start chat. Active profile are shown more often by the app's algorithm. Complete your profile. Incompleted profile are less visible or ignored by other users. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.